right, folks, this is the bass I was waiting for to talk about crankbaits. Get this guy unstuck, show you guys the crankbait. It's a nice chunker there, folks. Beautiful bass there. And for those of you who watch the channel, you know I'm not a crankbait fisherman, but here I am catching decent bass on a crankbait. Now I'm gonna lay out all the conditions that are happening that have me fishing a crankbait. Low light, some mist, a little bit of chop on the surface, water clarity of about 2-3 feet, and we have cooling water temperatures in the fall. On top of that, time of year. Bass relate to bait fish this time of year. Bluegill, shad. Something that optimizes my ability to catch these fish with a crankbait, even though I have no skill with a crankbait, is the fact that these conditions will push those fish shallow. And instead of working 5, 10, 15, 20 feet of water column with a crankbait when you're not confident in it, you're only working 1 to 3 feet. You can gain confidence in that lure. You will get more bites by fishing the correct conditions. Now, color is an important thing. I'm fishing a color that I feel like I'm gonna have confidence in. This looks like it mimics a bluegill, a shad, and it just looks great in the water. I try to get something that stands out a bit but doesn't project itself too much. I don't want to make the bass shy to it, but I definitely want to get their attention. So let's get back out there, fish this rock a bit more, and see if we can catch another one. There we go, folks. I think we're pushing about 10 in about a half hour, 40 minutes. Number 10 right there, 9 or 10. So how is a guy who isn't proficient in crankbait fishing able to catch all these fish? Let's go to the basement and talk about it.
The bottom line here, folks, is the conditions. I was looking for a set of conditions this time of year that would bring a lot of fish shallow, so I knew I could put that crankbait in front of a lot of fish. And knowing that I'm putting it in front of a lot of fish is gonna build my confidence, because some of those fish are going to bite. You get confidence throwing that crankbait over and over, but also getting on a positive feedback loop because you're generating strikes. Just try to fish a crank or any kind of a lure in a situation where you know you have confidence already built up. Like I said, get on that positive feedback loop. You will want to throw that lure more, and as you begin to throw that lure more and more, you will gain confidence in it and learn to fish it in new ways. That's all I got for you guys. You guys have a good one. Got more videos coming. I will see y'all soon. Take care. Have a good one.